What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the Citi Simplicity Credit Card. The Citi Simplicity is a no annual fee credit card that offers an extended 0% introductory APR period on purchases and balance transfers. The key features include 0% intro APR for a set number of months, no late fees or penalty APR, and no annual fee. The Citi Simplicity is a simple, straightforward credit card that is well suited for those looking to finance a large purchase or consolidate debt with a lengthy 0% intro APR period. Now, let's take a look at its key benefits. The Citi Simplicity Credit Card offers a significant benefit in the form of a 0% introductory APR period. This feature allows cardholders to make purchases or transfer balances without incurring interest charges for a specific period. With 0% APR for 12 months on purchases and 0% APR for 21 months on balance transfers, individuals can effectively manage their finances by spreading out payments over time without acquiring interest. This can be particularly advantageous for those looking into finance a large purchase or consolidate high-interest debt from other credit cards. By taking advantage of this promotional period, cardholders can save money on interest expenses and potentially pay down their balances more quickly. Another notable benefit of the Citi Simplicity Credit Card is the absence of an annual fee. This feature makes the card a cost-effective option for individuals seeking to leverage the 0% introductory APR without incurring additional charges. By eliminating the annual fee, cardholders can maximize the savings derived from the promotional financing period. This can be especially appealing for those looking to save money on interest costs and manage their finances efficiently without the burden of an annual fee. The Citi Simplicity Card distinguishes itself by waiving late fees and penalty APRs for cardholders. This feature provides peace of mind to individuals who may occasionally miss a payment deadline. By eliminating late fees and penalty APRs, the card offers a safety net for those facing unexpected financial challenges or oversights. This benefit can help cardholders avoid additional costs and maintain their financial stability by preventing punitive measures that could exacerbate their debt burden. The absence of late fees and penalty APR underscores Citi's commitment to customer satisfaction and financial flexibility. Cardholders of the Citi Simplicity Credit Card enjoy the convenience of adjusting their payment due date. This flexibility allows individuals to align their payment schedule with their cash flow and financial obligations. By customizing the payment due date, cardholders can better manage their budget and ensure timely payments. This feature can be particularly beneficial for individuals with fluctuating income or varying financial priorities. The ability to choose a payment due date that suits their needs enhances the cardholder's control over their finances and promotes responsible credit management. One of the unique benefits of the Citi Simplicity Card is the 10% rebate on interest charges incurred by cardholders. This feature provides a valuable opportunity to offer some of the costs associated with carrying a balance beyond the 0% introductory APR period. By receiving a 10% rebate on interest charges, cardholders can effectively reduce the financial impact of accruing interest on their outstanding balances. This benefit serves as a form of reimbursement for the interest expenses accrued, offering a degree of financial relief to cardholders and incentivizing responsible credit usage. Now, let's talk about some of the potential drawbacks. Beyond the 0% intro APR, the Citi Simplicity Card lacks any meaningful ongoing benefits like rewards, a welcome bonus, or additional perks and promotions. This makes it less valuable for long-term use. While the 0% intro APR periods are relatively long, they are still limited in duration. 12 months for purchases and 21 months for balance transfers. Other cards may offer even longer 0% intro APR terms. To get approved for the Citi Simplicity card, you'll likely need at least a good credit score of 670 points. Those with lower credit may have a harder time qualifying. The Citi Simplicity card provides a solid set of features, including a lengthy 0% introductory APR, no annual fee, and flexible payment options. While it lacks ongoing rewards, the card's focus on simplicity and cost savings can make it a practical choice for those looking to finance purchase or consolidate debt. Overall, the Citi Simplicity is worth considering for consumers who value straightforward credit card with a valuable 0% intro APR period. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.